Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC Drive Test. Haven't done one of these for a while, quite excited. So our new friends at GPToys on Amazon have sent us this two-wheel drive all-terrain water-resistant RC truck. Water-resistant because it is powered by a brushed motor. It's 12th scale, but apparently it can do 26 miles an hour. That is crazy, crazy fast for something that is a 12th scale. But you could be exceeding the speed limit if you around here anyway. 20 mile an hour speed limit around my way, so I don't want to be caught by the cops using this and exceeding the speed limit, but we're going to try it out anyway. Comes with everything that you need in the box to get driving. Comes with the transmitter. Doesn't come with the batteries for the transmitter, so we're just going to have to dig out some AA's or AA's, whatever it needs. But it does come with the charger and the battery for the truck itself. You've got instructions on the back, should you need them, on charging and the battery installation, remote control instructions, running practice. I mean, this is for kids and adults. You know, if you're looking for something for Christmas, which is coming up, then this could be a good little stocking filler, I think. But we're going to try it out. So let's not hang around. Let's take the flame piece S916 out of the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this is everything that you get in the box. So looking at the truck first, you can see it has nice springy suspension. Ideal for absorbing all of those bumps and those hard landings that we might have after we do jumps. Nice rugged plastic shell as well. It's going to take some abuse. Comes with the charger. So to get to the battery, you just have to remove these pins. Easily done. Easier if you've got small fingers. Unlike me. Flip out these plastic arms and take off that. And then you can get to the battery. And I can see here why this truck is going to do high speeds of, what did they say, 26 miles an hour? Crazy. Because it's got a lithium ion battery. So there's a lot of energy stored up in this battery after you've charged up. 800 milliamp hour, 9.6 volts, so should get a good long running time as well. You see other RC cars come with NiCads or nickel metal hydride, which don't store as much power. So look for, if you're looking at cars, look for lithium ion battery powered cars. So you just plug that into that. After you plugged it into the mains to charge it up, should take about 3/4 an hour. On-off switch for the truck is in here as well, so you'll need to flip that switch. Otherwise, just put this back on top. And put in these pins and you're ready to go. So you get the transmitter as well. You get a little screwdriver to take off the cover to put the batteries inside. You get other tools as well for taking off the wheels, should you need to change those, and a couple of spare gears as well, should you need to replace those. Instruction booklet as well, with everything that you need to know. Spare parts are listed as well, should you need to get those. So that is it. So quite excited. Let's take this out for its first drive and see how it performs. Okay, so here we go. We're out with the GPToys Flame Piece RC truck. So really simple. You just charge up the battery. That takes about 45 minutes. Turn it on using the switch inside. Put the plastic cover back. Flip this back and put the pins in. And then put a square 9-volt battery inside the transmitter and switch on. It'll bind and then you're ready to go. So let's try it out.
Okay, so there we go. That's the GPToys flame piece, and I've been driving it around for about 15 minutes now. A lot of fun, particularly in and out of puddles and getting it really dirty. So long battery life on this with that battery. It's got loads of power, actually too much power, and you have to be, you know, quite careful with the throttle and learn how to steer it. But a lot of fun, this two-wheel drive buggy. So thanks for watching this one. Look for the product link in the video description. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next time.